Unraveling the secrets of multi-step inequalities. Hello language learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating part of algebra, solving multi-step inequalities. This might sound a bit daunting, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be solving them with ease. At the core, an inequality tells us about the relative size of two values. Instead of an equal sign, equals, you'll see signs like less than, greater than, is less than or equal to, less than or equal to, or is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Now, when we say multi-step, it simply means that more than one operation is required to solve the inequality. For instance, 2x plus 4 greater than 8 is a multi-step inequality because you have to both subtract 4 and divide by 2 to solve for x. Let's look at the process step by step. 1. Combine like terms on each side of the inequality if necessary. 2. Use the addition or subtraction properties of inequality to get the variable on one side of the inequality. 3. Use the multiplication or division properties of inequality to solve for the variable. Example: let's solve the inequality 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 103x5. GEQ 103x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. Step 1. Add 5 to each side. 3x is greater than or equal to 153x. GEQ 153x is greater than or equal to 15. Step 2. Divide each side by 3. X is greater than or equal to 5x. GEQ 5x is greater than or equal to 5. So the solution is x is greater than or equal to 5x. GEQ 5x is greater than or equal to 5. 1. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality sign. For example, if you have minus 2x greater than 6 to 2x greater than 6 minus 2x greater than 6 and you divide both sides by minus 2, it becomes x less than minus 3x less than minus 3x less than minus 3. 2. Always check your answer. Plug the value of x back into the original inequality to ensure that the inequality holds true. 3. Remember that inequalities can have a range of solutions. For instance, x is greater than or equal to 5x. GEQ 5x is greater than or equal to 5 means x can be 5, 6, 7, and so on. It's not limited to a single number. And there you have it. Multi-step inequalities might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, they become much more manageable. The key is to approach them step by step, just like we did today. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. I hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!